Oga, wait. Where are you going to with my car?
I'm going to work now.
Is anything wrong with your car? Why is it that it's my car you want to take? This I used to look for my trouble. I will just be on my own, JJ. You just come and be looking for my trouble. Later they will say Vanny has started. You have your own car, I have my own. Now you say it's my car you want to take. Have you been talking to me since? Please, go in your car. I want to use my car later.
Okay, please, help me with my car key.
Take! See the keys here.
No worry, leave her.
Nothing too bad, nothing.
Oh my God! What's wrong with your phone now? I've been trying to reach you. Your line has not been going through.
But my phone is on.
Anyways, your car got spoiled. I don't know what is wrong with it. I opened the bonnet. I don't even know what to touch there. So I just packed it and Adesu are there. If it's safe, I don't know. So you better call your mechanic to go and pick it from there. Oh.
No, I don't understand. My car is parked outside.
Your other car now, the white one.
You mean your car?
My car, okay. Did I buy any car?
You didn't want me.
Life is nothing without you. There is something about you.
Did I buy any car?
But it's your name that is written in the car papers.
Is it my money?
No.
Did I pay any money for any car?
Oh, so anytime your car is good, it's your car, but once it's faulty, it's not my car.
It's your car.
But it's not faulty, it's your car.
No, it's not my car.
It's okay. I will call the mechanic now.
Yes.
But then, I'm sorry your car been stressing you. Okay? I'm very sorry. And also, I want to apologize for giving you attitude for some days now. Okay? And meanwhile, take this other car. Hold on. I just sent you 200,000 naira. Use 100,000 to fill the tank. And the 100K for the inconvenience that your car cost you.
Thank you, baby.
You're welcome.
Don't worry. When you come, we are not doing one tonight. We will do two.
Wait.